Do you guys have one of this a front load washing machine? And have you guys heard of a drain filter? Well, guess what? If you haven't heard, which is the same boat as me as to you guys, I never heard of it either. And so I have LG washing machine right here in front load, and this might be equivalent to other brand name of front load has a similar concept that drain filter you have to change all the time, at least once a year, to clean up so that this thing can operate smoothly. Let me go down. Let's go down here and show to you where it is. And it's actually, mine is right here. And this little door. This is the actual drain filter you're supposed to clean up quite often. So let's tackle into that project right now for you. To tackle this drain filter cleaning and all that stuff and maintaining it right here, first you gotta need this little container to hold the water, and you're gonna need this to wipe this excess water off. Okay, so to do that, I'm just gonna put this thing right here for now and drop the lid down here. There is a drain thing right here, and simply you just take it out like so. Okay, unscrew this part. Okay, and the water wants to gush out, and I am going to let go and let it drain. Okay. Ew, that is gross as heck. That's a caca-mucca all the way. And it stinks too. It smells like a sewer. That means we haven't been cleaning for this for a long time. So I'm glad at this time we were able to do this. Look, the critters are just swimming everywhere. Ugh. Okay, and almost about to be drained. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's do a little more, couple more drops. Okay, and then I am going to put this thing kakamaka down there and plugging this thing back in, and I'm going to set it right above it and let it click like that. Now, if you come look at it down here, this is your actual little filter drain, the drain filter, and you're just gonna turn it like so. I'm just gonna turn it, and I'm gonna keep turning it until it comes out. It's not bad looking. It's pretty clean. But I tell you what though, it stinks. It smells like a sewer. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this thing. And so let's go to the sink and clean this. And once it's clean, let's put it back in. It's really simple. It's easy as heck. Yeah. Let's do a close-up. And it's not too bad. It's not the... I thought it would be very, very terrible. But you can kind of see that along this area is still quite a bit of buildup up here. So it's best to go ahead and clean it just along the cage here. So for me to clean this thing, I'm just going to use just a little mini brush, and I'm going to use a dishwasher soap. And it's kind of mild, so I'm sure it's okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and start agitating along the area. And oh wow, it's already coming. Oh gosh, look at the sink. That is like disgusting kakamaka. Oh wow. But look, it's coming out pretty good though. I'm just gonna brush just along the rubber area as well. It has quite a bit of a build up to it. And look at that. That is just disgusting. So I got this drain filter here. It's nice and clean, and it does not smell like a kakamaka. And so let's go ahead and stick it in and just turn it a little bit. Until it can't turn anymore. And let's put the lid back in. is done. Okay, so you cannot be lazy and not change this thing, because when you do change it, this thing operates much better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Hey, how are you guys doing? So I am standing in front of this washing machine right here, and have you guys ever heard of a filter? What is that called? What is it?